everybody, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, hello, how are you doing? You're welcome to the channel. So this is a trading channel where life analysis, practical strategies to become a profitable and successful trader, and also how to manage risk when trading, and introduction to trading for beginners. I created a new playlist on that, and then the emotional psychological perspective of trading. And in today's video, I promise to share I made SM strategy with you guys. So if you guys have noticed, I trade using smart money concepts, and Ahmed SM is also a professional smart money concept trader, and he shared his own strategies with us. Before we get started, right, I want to share how my week has been going with you guys. I want to share my profits and also my losses with you guys at the end of this video, as well as you guys notice I trade using smart money concepts, and I want to show you guys how to do that. I created a new playlist on introduction to trading for beginners, and I'll be posting a lot of these videos there. I'll be posting how to even identify your break of structure, how to identify your order block, how to identify liquidity, fair value gap, and all of this, because I deal with structures and because I'm an SMC trader, so we deal with structures, and that is what I'll be sharing with you guys in that playlist. So if that interests you, you should subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any of the videos, and also you should like this video. You liking this video will help you to promote it more to other traders out there. Ask your questions and leave a comment in the comment section for me. Just tell me anything you want to learn and things you want to know. And then I have been trying to create our Telegram group. I have done that, and I want to like post some things there before sharing the link out, and the link in the description box below, and also I will pin it in the comment section as well, so you can get access to the link to our Telegram group. And then let's get started. So the first trading psychology, the first strategy shared with us, if you are a beginner, this will really benefit you, and you don't really have to even be a beginner, so you can refine your trading strategy, right? It's always good to learn, relearn, and unlearn. So the first one is never trade against the trend. If you have been following my channel, I always say when you come to a chart, the first thing to identify is the movement. You go to a higher time frame, and then you're like, is it uptrend or downtrend? Is the market bullish or is the market bearish? That's the first thing to identify when you open the charts. And that is the first thing he's saying here: never trade against the trend, because just your money can't move the market. So you should always follow the trend already, so you don't lose your money. And the second one is trade your plan your trade and not your emotion. Like most people, they'll just trade, enter the market, and then they'll be like, no, I should have done it this way. And that is why having a trading rule is very, very important. Last video, right, I taught you guys how to create your notion, how to write your trading statistics, as well as having a trading rules there. So I should post the link to in the description section, so you can get access to it, or you can always check my channel for it. And also the third one is take trade with high probability setup. Some of us have pairs that we like more, and when we do analysis on like 5 to 10 pairs, and then we're like, no, because this one is my favorite, I should trade this one, even though you know. In trading, using your intuition is very, very key. Even though you know that this is not a high probability setup, you still want to take it anyway because you feel this is one of your favorites. But you shouldn't do that. Always take trades with high probability setups. You guys know this thing I'm sharing with you guys now is worth $1,000. This is a very important, valuable, key strategies for traders. See, I wrote it down. When you were saying it, I was just writing it down because I know this is very valuable. This is a real good here. Fifth one is always wait for extra confirmation before entry. bearish markets, and then you notice a change of character upward. There's a change of character to the upside. You know, okay, this market is changing character, this market is going up. You shouldn't like just enter the market immediately. You should wait for a confirmation, like a break of structure to the upside. Then you can be like, okay, this market is changing character, it has changed character. Now there's a break of structure to the upward side, so now I can enter the market and I can buy. Do you understand? And if you notice on a break of structure to the downside, you can be like, okay, a change of character to the downside, and then followed by a break of structure to the downside. Now you can be like, okay, this market is bearish, now I can sell. So that is how it works. Always don't just enter the market because you just, oh, there's a red candle coming out, so let me just short immediately. Don't do that. The sixth one is an avoid high impact news at all costs. High impact news has showed me shaking. Like as a beginner, you really have no business with high impact news. When it's a news day, don't make sure you are done with all your trades before the news, and then after the news you can trade, but make sure you are not in the market during news, because it's just make sure you are not in the market during news. End your trade before the news and then start trading after the news. The seventh one is don't take more than 3 trades per week. You'll be trading like 5 pairs every day now, very good, and someone is telling you don't take more than 3 trades in a whole week. But this is very, very important. This is just to help you build a very healthy psychology when it comes to trading. If you're in a 5 trade in a day, or you're trading like 6 to 8 trades in a day, that is a lot. Be stable, and then you need stability. You need to be mentally calm when trading. So you don't need to over trade. You just need to trade well. Over trading doesn't make you successful. Trading well makes you successful. So the eighth one is pick a good spot for entry and exit. If you guys have been watching my video, I always advise you, your stop loss should be below the recent low. If you are buying, your stop loss should be below the recent low, and your target profit should be at the recent high. That is a very good entry. So when market comes close to your stop loss a little, it doesn't take you out of the market. The ninth one is so difficult, you guys have no idea. So the ninth one is a set and forget. Okay, like this set and forget, you can say set and forget now. It's easier said than done. It's easier said than done. You know, the human mind, your mind will always be there. Your mind will be like, wait, hope you know you're in a trade. You always want to check it and everything, but this set and forget again is actually good to build a very healthy psychology, like in a way that you are in a trade, you don't care. Because if you don't actually set and forget, right, and you are always checking it, you know the market is always going zig zig, up down, up down, up down movements. So if you are buying and the market starts going down, you know you start losing money, and you're like, should I leave this market now? Why is it coming down now? Frustrated, and let me just say, you even cancel the trade sef. When the market start going up, you regret as to why you cancel the trade and you still want to re-enter. So it's always good to just set and forget. Just trust. That is why it's good to get it right the first time. Don't trade against the trend. Just do your technical analysis accurately, and then you can just set and forget and come back and meet your profit. The 10th one is apply risk management that won't mess with your psychology. Please trade what you can afford to lose. Don't enter the market with the amount you are not comfortable losing, so that it doesn't mess with your psychology. And when the trade is going, you are not panicking, you are not scared, you are not frustrated everywhere. So just, you need sanity to trade. You need to be calm, you need to be disciplined, and that is why they always advise you to apply risk management, set stop loss, your target profit, and trade. Don't use more than 5% of your capital in a trade. Take any of these risks for 1 year. Now this number 11 takes discipline to achieve. Don't break any of these rules for 1 year if you actually want to be a profitable trader. If you actually want to be profitable in trading, you want to build a profitable career, you want to be successful, don't follow all of this for 1 year and see how you will help yourself develop a very strong trading psychology. And the last one is I will never be poor. I don't know why he said that, for it's a very good statement to make. I will never be poor. I really don't know how passionate you are about becoming a profitable trader and being successful. I don't know how passionate you are about being financially free and building wealth. I don't know how passionate you are about any of these things, but I just hope that this video is going to be of use for someone out there who is so passionate about their journey, who is so passionate about building a profitable career, who is passionate about their financial journey and then want to be financially free. I'm just hoping and praying that this video finds the people it's actually meant for. I quickly want to show you guys how to identify some specific things, but I will always advise you to check out the playlist on that introduction to trading for beginners if you are a beginner, so you don't miss out. But let me just show you quick things. I am in this trade now. I'm in BTC. I'm shorting BTC. I don't like the reaction it's giving, but it's supposed to come down because we have a lot of imbalances. The election caused imbalance, and also I don't even want to go into detail because the other time Ahmed SM was posting and buy the rumor, sell the news, and let's just leave it there. Buy the rumor, sell the news. In my next video, we'll talk about that in detail. I'm trying to make this video simple as I can. So in my next video, we'll talk about buy the rumor and sell the news, how it works and how it's applicable to trading. Here in this trade, it's supposed to be coming down, but I don't know what the hell is doing up there. Oh, I am here, and you can see my breakout structure. Let me take you to 15 minutes. You guys know I'm very key on multiple time frame analysis, right? So this is 15 minutes, and now we have like a lot of internal breakout structure to the downside. So I was hoping, so when this market was behaving weirdly, I was like, wait, let me see, is it going down, is it going up? So I did this breakout structure here, but this is not a breakout structure. Your breakout structure is weak to the body. This is your breakout structure, weak to the body. So guys, this is very important. So this is imbalance. You know, market doesn't go up all the time. It must have to feel these imbalances. Look at impulsive movement in the market. It must have to come and feel them. So I am expecting downward movement. So this is breakout structure to the upside here. This is a breakout structure to the upside. Internal breakout structure to the upside. So now, right, market will come here. Price, excuse me, let me adjust this thing. So price have to come here and tap. Price have to feel this imbalance, this impulsive movements here, because they have to correct the market. So price have to come, tap here for market correction, and then reverse tap here, and then there'll be a pullback from here. Pullback from here. From here. You can see, right? So this is what I'm expecting to happen. Always make sure your chart is neat. Some of you like this imbalance. Why didn't you take your order block from here? Because this order liquidity here. So I'm like, markets can come here, they decide to go downward because we have liquidity, we have, and then excuse me, we have imbalance here too. This is my imbalance. I just like to keep my chart neat, so I don't want all these lines everywhere. So I didn't put. So this is my imbalance, and then you see my liquidity. So market can still come here. So that is why I'm taking my order block now from here. So when market comes down now, as it's coming down now, market comes down. Market will hit my target profit here, and then also hit my order block and go upward. So that is all about. You can see SMC is all about structure. And also I want to show you guys the profits I made this week. I traded on the 6th and on the 7th of November, and this is my third trade for the week. This is a profit for gold. Yesterday I long gold, and of November I made $131 minus 12.91. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.